A look at the growth of Montessori education at Fleetwood Bawden Elementary. Fleetwood Bawden Elementary is unique in southern Alberta. It's the only school south of Calgary that offers Montessori education.
We run a dual track system. So about half of our school population is the Montessori program, starting in grade 1 through grade 5, and the other half is our regular stream program.
Montessori is an independence-based approach to education that's been practiced worldwide for more than 100 years. Claire Fisher teaches a grade 1-2 Montessori class.
Some of the key parts of the Montessori philosophy are that it encourages children to be self-directed, it builds on their own natural curiosity, and then there was the whole piece about dignity, respect for self, others, and the environment, and being a global citizen.
Much of the Montessori philosophy revolves around students setting goals and working individually or in groups to achieve them.
We don't really do lots of activities, but we do lots of goals. And grade 2s usually pick about like 5, and grade 3s usually pick about like 6. If we finish a lot of the goals that we make, we get to have a bit of free time. We do some PowerPoints, which are things you make on the computer, and we go on cool math websites on the computer.
Teacher Jackie Schrag has taught in both Montessori and regular stream classes. This is her second year in Montessori.
I am teaching them how to be independent and how to be responsible and in charge of their own learning. It's, I think, putting learning in the hands of the kids and allowing them to teach others and to take responsibility for their own learning.
Montessori programming has been growing in popularity at Fleetwood Bawden as parents gain awareness and understanding of its philosophy. Next year, for the first time, more than half of Fleetwood Bawden's 350 students will be enrolled in Montessori programming.
I think that what's unique about it is the fact that so many of the great philosophies of education now that are coming out about project-based learning and empowering students and finding their leadership potential, they've been in Montessori for decades. And parents are starting to recognize that, and that word is spreading, so I think that that's contributing to the growth.
Dion Lavers switched her struggling son over to Montessori this year and has noticed a dramatic change in his performance.
I see my child is happy, he's doing well, he feels like he has a lot of choices, he gets to do his work hands-on in different ways, he sets goals, he sets goals at home now, like it works for him.
Montessori teachers say self-directed learning is effective and enjoyable, especially for students at the earliest grade levels.
I've been doing this for 15 years, and I find that children as young as 6 get very excited by the idea of owning their own learning, of directing their learning and what activities they're going to do. And because they've done that, there's an ownership, and therefore they're very keen to want to pursue it and accomplish the goals.
Over to Tate.